Here we go. This is it. It is a fold-it card that has our beautiful butterfly on it. Now, those of you that have been around have seen this one, but in small version and in stamps. This, my loves, is the fold-it version. This is the fold-it version. Look at that. Are you like freaking out yet? Look at this one. Look at this one. And, okay, but wait, there's more, because not only does it have this, you guys, I've been waiting for this one forever, because when I designed this butterfly, when I did the stamps and dies for the club, I was freaking out. I had to make small mini ones. Then I had to make this big one for the fold-it version, because I'm madly, deeply in love with this one. Yes, you are getting, ta-da, the magnet. Boom. Look at that. Hang on. Let's see how, you guys, we got to test this thing and see. Look at that. It's still stuck. Hang on. Look at that. I'm throwing it and it's still sticking. This is with the, so happy to be sharing these special moments with you for someone special. You are so kind. I'm blessed to have you in my life. Thank you for being the sunshine in my day. Cute little butterfly in the corner. Thank you for being the most wonderful friend. Spread your wings and soar. Okay. How many? I don't know. Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 again. 5 again. So that's 6 there. So that's 30 of these stickers. Okay. Then, of course, you're getting the cute little idea card that shows you how to do the fold it. Of course, I have 1,000 videos on my website, right? Then you are also getting, and I don't even know how many are in here, so we got to open it up. Open it up. You are getting some colored die cuts, and you are getting 2 sheets of them. 2 sheets. Now, these just pop out really easy peasy. Really, really easy peasy. Look how cute that is. Already colored, all ready to go. Done, right? Die cut and everything. Perfect. How many are on here? I have no idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You're getting 30 little butterflies, okay? Perfect for your club sets, those of you that have that club set, stamps and dies, right? Oh, add fairies, Susan said. I love that idea. I love that idea. Okay, so you already saw this one. How cute is that, right? Again, lots of ideas on the website, you guys, when it's time for me to go on the air. Look at this one on a 5x7 card base. Look at the color differences, you guys, because I like you to see how the colors, just by changing the colors, you are getting a totally different look. You don't have to use the whole butterfly. Look at this, using that glitter paper that's in the other kit. Look at that. Is that amazing or what? What? I know, right? Okay, or just use the little cutouts. Use the other cutouts just by themselves. You don't have to always use them with the butterfly. Use them separately, right? Let's see. Oh my goodness, here is one again. Just pieces of the butterfly. So they look like they're literally flying away, right? Flying away, ready to go. Let's see what else we have in here. Look at this. Use the stickers in a jar. Those are just the stickers. Those are like the add-on extra pieces. You literally can make your own card out of the jar. And here's another one, rainbow. You know I love doing the black on the bottom. Oh, so, so pretty. Oh, here's just, again, just using those little die cuts. Look how cute on the flip it. And here's a fun one. Wait for this one. Look at this. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. It is a stand-up card. Stand-up card. Look at that. Sending the butterfly stand-up card. So awesome. Cynthia says this is by far my favorite. Okay, you can turn. Now, I will give you a tip. They ordered a lot of this one. So if you want to wait a little bit on this one, you are going to be okay. You should be okay. I'm not going to say for sure, but you should be okay. They bought a lot of this one because, hello, first of all, everyone loves butterflies. And it's freakishly amazing. Also, I just need to give you a heads up. Where'd the die go? Because I want you to see it. Also, just to give you a heads up, you are getting the body separately so you can just lay it right on top so you don't have to snip, snip, snip. Because if you want to do the body in a different color, okay? Sometimes I like to do the body in a different color, so I added the extra die in there for you. Butterfly item number, thank you, my friends that are helping, adding the numbers in there, 892440. There are a lot of these, so you're going to be okay. Also, my friends, and those of you that aren't usually watching, but you're watching because of the HSN, you need to check out our angel policy. I allow you to use my designs, make a card, and you can sell it. Most companies don't let you do that. You got to ask their angel policy. My angel policy is you're allowed to do that. You're allowed to make this card using all of my products and sell it on your Facebook page, open up a website, sell it at a craft fair. Ruth Debbie, I haven't seen you here, but Ruth Debbie once made $950 in a one-day craft fair, selling cards that she made by her hands. Now, that is abnormal. That's a lot, right? There's no... much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.